How to fix you won't be able to receive mail from a current mailbox Outlook error. 1. Download and run Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool as admin. 2. Run Microsoft Remote Connectivity Analyzer. 3. Manually create new Outlook profile. 4. Ensure Exchange Auto Discover service is running correctly. Run Test Outlook Web Services Identity, user at example.com. Mailbox credential, get credential, command in PowerShell, Windows Terminal, in admin/elevated mode. 5. Uninstall then reinstall Office Outlook F6. Upgrade Exchange Server.